Welcome everyone, this is Andy 79Z28, sometimes known as Dr. Zinc, sometimes known as the Zinc Doctor, and as CW says, the Zinc Master. Anyway, this is a box opening. Thank you. This is from Gene from Reloading at the Hot Pot. This is his second box he sent me. I already know what's in it, but we're going to open it up. I want to thank you very much, Gene. And here we go. I already cut the ribbons. Okay. And what do we got here? This is a box of zinc wheel weights. Nice big ones, yes. Is this zinc or is this lead? I'll find out. I will check all these out. Lots of zinc, all zinc, 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 zinc. The Zinc Master is very happy. The last box he sent me was already over a week already. Melted down and cast it into bullets. As you know, I've been busy sending out bullets to a lot of people. So this is really good stuff, man. This is great. I love it. Thank you so much there, Gene. And by the way, you will be getting a box of something. I won't tell you what it is, but I know you'll be able to use it, and it isn't bullets. Anyway, Gene, thank you very much. We'll not keep this video nice and short. The Zinc Master signing out. Everybody have a great day.